Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new edition of Useless Tutorials. So glad you could join me here today. We are going to learn a top tier tutorial. This is A-list quality stuff. Before we get into the video, I just want to invite you guys to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Eat your vegetables and follow your grandmother on Twitter. Also follow me on Twitter. I'm posting useless content all the time. Okay, so in this video, we are going to learn how to apply this into this. Basically, this is a toothpaste and this is a toothbrush. You will see that they both have a tooth in common. That's because they're both instrumental for your dental hygiene. But you know that the first step to hygiene is to turn on the sink. And if you don't know how to do that, that's okay. I have made a video tutorial on how to turn on the sink, and the link to that video is in the top right corner. All right, so right in front of you, you are seeing the two things you will need for this tutorial, the toothpaste and the toothbrush. So as you can see, this is the toothpaste. It comes in a tube. This tube will actually get smaller over time because the amount of toothpaste determines the shape, or the shape determines the amount of toothpaste. The most important part of the toothpaste is the cap right here. To open this up, you just put some pressure on the thumb or any finger and you just pull it like this. All right. Should come right off. Maybe some of you guys' toothpaste tubes have a twisting thing here where you have to actually twist out. But a lot of them, I'd say most of them, like 99.9% of toothpastes I've seen, have this pull up contraption here. So it's just really easy to master because it's everywhere, really. So all you have to do, just to get it a little closer to the camera, I don't want to lose focus or anything, you open up like this, and as you can see there, sometimes there can be a aluminum foil just to protect the toothpaste from actually leaking out before you actually want it to. So to get rid of that, you just have to twist it open like this. And you see that it has four longer strips of aluminum. That's just to rip it out. So the same idea you had with the cap, you just do this right here with the aluminum, and look, it just peels right off. Bam! Okay, so we have removing the safety from our toothpaste, and let's just set it down real there. It is ready to dispense. And we're gonna grab the other star of this show, which is the toothbrush. Now, this is what actually goes inside your mouth, and it's comprised, as you can see, of two main areas. This is the hand stick. They call it the hand stick because this is actually where you put your hand, also known as the handle in some areas. You'll see the other part here of the toothbrush is this area right here, which in this case is orange, yellowish. This is the hairy part that goes in your mouth. You can call it the hairy part. I call it the brush bush because that's basically what it is. I find that to be an accurate name. Anyway, so now we have met both the toothpaste and the toothbrush that doesn't want to stay upright for some reason. It's time to bring them together. This is actually where the toothpaste is going to go. So the whole idea is to grab the toothpaste and apply it right on the brush bush and then put it in your mouth. The first thing we got to do is plan our squeeze. Now, when you look at the toothpaste tube, you will see that it has a lot of toothpaste in the front, not so much toothpaste in the back. So ideally what you would want to do is start squeezing from the back. That way you don't get like a pregnant toothpaste tube and a little bit of toothpaste here, a little bit of toothpaste there, but a whole bunch of toothpaste here at the middle. You don't want that. So basically what you do is you grab the top of it, and like we learned, you use your thumb. This is a really cool way to do it. You just grab your thumb, and to prop it open, you just kind of push it open like this. The other method I was talking about earlier implied pulling it up like this. That would be on your index finger on your other hand. But if you want to use just one hand, you can do one hand with this. You just pop it open like that. All right? You just grab the toothbrush with the other hand, and let's see how good it is. I'm kind of nervous because the internet is watching. What I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze on this side. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. Let me see if I can do it here, but I want you guys to see it up close. So my hand's going to be in the back here, and I'm going to try and squeeze the perfect amount of toothpaste onto the brush bush. All right, so here we go. All right. There you go. There you have it. So that is how you apply toothpaste to a toothbrush. Sometimes the toothpaste you can put too much on and it can be, dripping from the sides. That's okay. You can't overdose on toothpaste, at least not that I know of. So if you have a little bit extra in your mouth, that's totally fine. Anyway, thanks guys for watching this video. Be sure to follow me on social media and all that fun stuff. Links will be in the description. Have a great night. I will see you next time.